Hey friends, are you encountering the issue where EA Sports FC 24 is crashing again and again? If yes, then I'll help you with the solutions. First of all, you need to check the system requirements, and I prefer to stick to the recommended system requirements, which are pretty high for this game. So you need an i7 processor, 6th generation or further, or you can also use a Ryzen 7 one, and you need a memory of 12 GB at least, a RAM of 12 GB at least. So computers which come with a 16 GB RAM will actually be better, and those with an 8 GB RAM would definitely not be sufficient. And you need a proper graphics card. So the graphics card requirement is Nvidia GTX GeForce 1660, and these days most of the newer graphic cards are much higher than this. So if you have a newer computer, most probably all of these requirements would be met. But if you have an older computer, then you will face some difficulty. After this, you can update Windows because the new security patches are needed. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on check for updates. Also click on advanced options. Click on optional updates. If any optional update is present, then please install that as well. Now, if these two steps are done, then the last solution will be to uh, uninstall any antivirus on your system. So right click on the start button and select settings on the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on installed apps and check for any third party antivirus on your system. I'll check, maybe I have a McAfee antivirus. Yes. So click on this, select uninstall and click on uninstall and click on yes to uninstall this, and make sure that only Windows Defender is running on your computer, because these third-party antivirus products interfere a lot. Or you can at least whitelist your game in these antivirus applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then please let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.